What's up, you beautiful people? I hope all of you are doing amazing. So today we are at Moto Monastery, Bhubaneswar's newest riding gear shop, and we are going to check out what all is up for grabs and what brands you can get here. Right now we have Mr. Venu Gopal with us, who is the owner of Moto Monastery. First of all, Venu bhai, heartiest congratulations for this amazing gear store, and I would say a job well done. And secondly, thank you so much for having me here. So Venu bhai is going to show us what all his store has to offer. So without doing any further delays, let's start. So Venu bhai, without further delays, let's learn about all the helmets that you have here. So let's start.
Yes, let us begin with NHK. So NHK is a Indonesian brand, as most of you might have known. Well, it's not a very old company. It was started in around 2004, but later in 2018 it came into motorsports, and many of the riders who ride it, Moto3, Moto3, and very few in MotoGP.
Okay.
It's a very well-known brand,
Right.
and apart from that, it also has equally safety features. Suppose if we take this Terminator model of NHK, it has got DOT, EC as well as an Indonesian certificate.
Right.
And I don't think so that at this price point, at rupees 5,500, many of brands will have this thing.
Nice. 5,500 bucks for money.
Yes.
Bang on.
On top of that, a visor that is pin lock ready and very soft cushions that will protect your head from getting out of this helmet.
So basically what a pin lock visor does is it doesn't let your breath to fog up the windscreen during rains and winters. So that's why you use a pin lock insert in front of your windscreen. So that's the use of a pin lock visor.
Exactly. Next, apart from this Terminator, we also have a lower model called Race Pro, which also has equally good graphics. But only
Which
thing
one is
that
the Race Pro?
This one is the Race Pro.
Okay.
Only thing is that it doesn't get the ECE. Although
Okay.
it doesn't has the ECE, it has DOT as well as SNI, and is almost equally safe.
Okay.
And it also has this pin lock feature.
So what's the price range for this?
This one is just 4,500. I guess lots of KTM riders will
Definitely
Embrace
the
this color.
trademark color, and people who are fans of Rossi, you can definitely get these colors, because see, like me, people who are fans of Valentino Rossi can always go on with this.
Yes, and
neon
one
color.
more thing, this one here is a Kevlar composite shell system, which is pretty rare in this price range.
Nice. So lots of protection you get from this particular brand.
Yes.
You know, this particular brand of NHK helmets you won't be getting anywhere in Bhubaneswar. Moto Monastery is the only place selling these at this particular price point. So do visit Moto Monastery.
Let us stick to helmets first,
Cool.
then eventually we'll go on.
Definitely.
And this one is from Laser,
Okay.
one of the world's oldest helmet company. And I guess it started in 1919.
Okay.
And after that, it is the first helmet for motorsports.
Oh.
For motorsports, it is the first helmet. And almost 90% of the innovations that you have seen, the trend was set by this company,
Okay.
including that photochromatic lens
For helmets.
for helmets.
Okay.
That was also set by Laser itself.
Nice. I didn't know that.
And now comes the safety feature. It has got ECE,
Okay.
which is nowhere mentioned in the helmet though.
Okay.
But in the catalog and website you
Definitely.
can definitely find that.
Cool.
And this is a system, the SOS system.
What is that exactly?
In case of emergency or in case of accident,
Okay.
if there is any head injury or if there is a fall that is beyond 80 kilometers per hour speed, then generally we should not remove the helmet directly at an instance from the
Okay.
accident guy.
Right. Right.
So, but he needs ventilation.
Right.
So in that kind of situation, you can just stick
Pull
your
the-
finger in this and then pull it like this.
Okay.
Then
This
again
is-
you
this
can
is,
do the
I guess first in class. I guess. I've never seen this feature in any other helmet.
Exactly.
At this particular price
At
point.
this
of
price
course.
point, you have. I don't think we can notice this thing.
Nice.
And it has got Velcro
Okay.
as well as buttons.
Okay.
Then here comes the intercom facility. You have a dedicated slot for the speakers.
Okay. I don't think you guys can see it in the dark, but definitely it has a speaker pocket as well.
Then the same features are available in almost all the helmets.
All the helmets. Okay. From Laser.
From Laser.
But this one has a different graphics.
Yes. Graphics
And the price
wise
point is different as well.
no, price is same.
Okay. So you get what's the price range for this, Venu?
This one and this one is 10,000 each.
Okay.
And this one is the base one, 9,500.
Okay. So this is a pretty premium brand of helmets compared to NHK.
NHK.
So all of these helmets start from basically 9,000 and the upper ones there are 10,000 each.
10,000.
And you get a ton of safety features again.
Yes.
And beautiful graphics. You can see sort of inspires the Black Panther stuff for all you Avengers fan out there.
Then comes the
Okay.
modular one.
This is the modular helmet of Laser.
Yes. This is the modular one. And the comfort of this helmet is next level.
Okay.
You can only understand after you try it on your leg.
Definitely, I have tried this, and trust me, guys, when I say that the paddings are ultra soft, it's even better than my Aero and my MT helmet. So basically, trust me, go for this if you like a modular one. But I personally prefer a full face helmet, so I would definitely go for the other ones. But this one, trust me, it has got ultimate comfort while you wear it.
Yes.
And Venubhai, what were you telling me about the windscreen? That this technology is also used by Schuberth. You, I don't know, guys, if you can see these points out here on the windscreen.
I don't remember the exact terminology for these points, but this is again a system that was introduced by Laser itself, and then after followed by other helmets, big helmet companies like Schuberth and all. This reduces the wind noise that you get.
Okay, that's a very nice thing, because you know wind noise is one thing which is a rider's nightmare. Trust me. Nice. How much is this helmet for?
This one is for the same 10,000 only.
Okay, nice. 10,000 you get a modular helmet. That's nice.
And it also has a sun visor.
Cool. Again another.
In fact, all of the helmets from Laser have the sun visor. I forgot to show you.
Okay, nice. So next up we have the boots.
Next up we have the boots. This is the boot from XDI, the Czech Republic brand.
Okay.
It has the, as usual, the metal sliders, which is high impact.
Right.
Then you can any time replace this whenever you want.
Okay, this is replaceable. Yeah,
Yes.
of course.
Then again, there comes this chain hook here is a Velcro hook.
Okay.
Which sticks in very good.
Nice.
And then the zips all YKK.
YKK, obviously the best ones.
Then this water resistant Hippora membrane.
Nice.
And this other membrane that keeps your feet cool.
Right.
Then this dual layered shin protectors.
Okay.
And then the most interesting part, oil and slip resistant rubber sole.
Nice. How much does they come for?
These come for at only 10,000, whereas the other boots at this segment you will find start from around 12 to 13,000.
Oh, okay. That's great. Next up, we'll be having the details of the jackets that are up for grabs. Venubhai, you can start.
Yes, so should we start from Venom or should we start
Whatever you like.
Let's start from Venom.
Right.
This is an Indian brand.
Okay.
The one who has just begun his motorcycle career or just going into motorcycling, he will find it affordable, and it also has both the liners.
Thermal and rain liners.
Just like any other good jacket.
How much does this come for?
This come for just 4,800.
Guys, at 4,800 you are getting thermal liners, you are getting rain liners, and you are getting level 2 protectors, I guess.
Exactly.
So that's bang on. If you are starting your motorcycling journey, definitely this is the jacket that you can get at the most affordable price, probably. Because when I started, I got a very crude brand jacket, which I still wear, and it has level 1 protectors, and it cost me 5,600 rupees. So at this particular price point, definitely it's value for money.
Yes, it is value for money. But when we need something more better, something more comfortable,
Okay.
then we move on to XDI.
Okay. So what does XDI basically stand for? I guess it's Extreme Dynamics
Incorporation.
Incorporation, right?
Yes, it is a Czech Republic brand.
Okay, it's a foreign brand which has been imported
European brand. Yes,
here. Yeah,
exactly.
European. Okay.
And first in the line we have two hoodies.
Okay.
One, this is completely for winters basically.
Guys, see, riding jacket and a hoodie combined.
Exactly.
Awesome.
And this one comes with a level 1.
Okay.
So you can use it for normal city commuting and all during winters. You don't need to carry that bulky jacket all around.
Okay.
This will look cool.
So you can wear it as a casual wear as well.
Exactly.
But let me tell you guys, even the level 1 of this jacket feels like a level 2. It's very soft. Unlike the one that I am wearing right now, it's very, good quality jacket.
Okay. And next we come to the other hoodie. This one is a proper riding jacket, but
Okay.
it doesn't look like a riding jacket.
Oh, it looks very nice.
Yes, it has both the liners,
Right, thermal and
thermal
rain.
as well as rain. Then comes here, it has got level 2 protectors
Right.
all around.
Okay.
On the shoulders,
Mhm.
be it be elbow, be it be back, everywhere.
Okay.
And then it has this TPR sliders.
Okay.
Then you can see here is accordion stretch panels.
Okay.
Then this double cordura.
What is exactly a double cordura?
Double cordura is generally what we see is in the normal jackets. We have just one layer of cordura,
Okay.
but here we get 2 layers of cordura.
Okay.
And the most important and beautiful part, the level B armor,
Okay.
type B armors.
Right.
This portion.
See, it's so soft and bendable. And
Yes.
and the general myth is that if it's bendable, it cannot absorb shock. But actually, guys, the more bendable the armor is, the more
The
shock
more
it
flexy
absorbs.
it is, the more it absorbs.
Exactly.
And this type of armor generally covers till this portion, from this portion to this portion.
Okay.
Normal armors, what we get is here to here, but this one covers until here. So these are called the B type armors.
Right.
So others, can you guess what would have been the price of this thing?
Well, according to me, with the features that this jacket has and the quality of this jacket, I say somewhere between 10 to 15,000.
No, it's nowhere near that. It's just 8888.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Guys, 8,800 for so many features. I don't think anyone else does that.
Nah. And the most interesting part, you have a hoodie that is completely detachable.
That's nice. Anywhere casual, or if
Ah.
it's winters, you can wear your hoodies.
Yes, suppose you are going to Leh and Ladakh, you just completed your ride. Simply attach the hoodie, pull it over, and it's a normal casual jacket which can resist the winters also.
This is nice. This is dope, I guess.
And then we come again for another kind of jacket. It has got titanium sliders, level 2, double cordura, all same thing,
But without the hoodie.
without the hoodie.
How much does this come for?
Then the budget variant. This one is also a level 2 jacket, but it misses out this accordion stretch panels
Okay.
and a lot of mesh around for summers. And so what would be the price of this thing?
7 to 8,000.
It's just 6,000, 5,900.
Again, surprising me with the price. Amazing. Wow. So next up we have the luggage solution that Moto Monastery offers. So Venubhai, you can go ahead and explain what you have in store.
Moving into luggage systems, we have God's saddlebags,
Right?
then Guardian Gear's tailbags,
Okay.
then Carbonado backpack, which is just a sample. The more of is there.
Definitely, we always have seen these stuff on Instagram and everywhere. Every other YouTuber uses this. So
these are
one-stop
quite
solution.
common.
Yeah. One-stop solution for luggage. And it's very good quality, Guardian Gears and stuff.
They are known for its quality.
Some more bags over there, as you can see, for Carbonado. And
Then
tank bags from Guardian Gears, I guess.
yes, Guardian Gears Gods.
Okay,
Then Guardian Gears Gods. Then thigh pouch from again Gods. Then thigh pouch from Carbonado.
Okay.
And there is also an XBHP edition.
Ah, I saw that.
If someone is an XBHP fan.
Right. Hydration pack, I guess.
No, this is a thigh pouch.
Thigh pouch.
This
Okay,
is a
okay,
thigh
okay.
pouch.
Nice.
Now let's move into this lubricant section.
Okay.
And not many might be aware of this company called Tribocor.
Okay.
It's an Indian brand
Right.
and very economical one,
Right.
but also does its job very great.
Right.
And this is a chain clean, chain lube,
Okay.
and this one is a dry type lube. It basically forms a wax coating over the chain,
Mm-hmm.
and as a result, it doesn't attract any kind of dust,
Mm-hmm.
which eventually prevents the chain to degrade itself,
Right.
and it lasts much longer.
Cool.
Mm,
How much do they cost? And
This chain clean is just 410. Now this is a wide range of lubricants and maintenance kits, and where to start? I'm confused. So let's begin with engine oil then.
okay.
There are two types of engine oil that currently I am having.
Okay.
One is Eastertech Synthetic, other one is Entech Pro R+.
Okay.
This is basically the performance engine oil.
And the other one was?
Other one was also synthetic, but it's a regular one.
Okay. So that's for smaller capacity motorcycles.
Yeah.
And this one is for
Higher
the ones we use. Okay.
Then let's start from the top itself. That will be very simplified. This is a helmet sanitizer, octane booster, 4 coils, helmet sanitizer, small one for the small trips, then chain loops for the trips, then comes valve and injector cleaner,
Okay.
chain loop, tech chain, the non-fling formula,
Okay.
then lubricants, another type of chain clean.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, this one is a coolant.
Okay. Okay.
This
Okay.
one is a coolant, and this is a brake cleaner,
Okay.
brake fluid,
Mm-hmm.
another type of chain clean.
Okay.
Then you got polish for matte
Oh.
bodies, then chain cleaner and
Okay.
degreaser, and we also have engine oils in 4 liters
Right.
for the bigger
So
bikes.
super bikes
Yes,
stuff.
exactly.
Okay.
Now the most handy part, that is gloves. And there are 3 types of gloves that are available currently,
Okay.
and many more good stuff are coming in. And these both are generally city basics.
Okay.
These two have the same, not the same, but floating knuckle guards.
Okay.
And this one has a special reflective piping. And this one has got a foam sliders,
Okay.
whereas the same is absent over here.
Okay.
And both of them are touch friendly.
Okay. Touch.
Both of them are touch friendly. And this one is a proper riding glove
Okay. So this
that
is the one
we
that
guys
you
would love.
Okay. This
And
is
this
the
is
one.
the one that I am using.
And this is the one I'll be using too
Yes,
from
you will
today.
be using too from today. Correct. And this one has got carbon fiber tips.
Okay. Carbon fiber. See there.
Yeah.
Nice.
And the non-separating, I
Fingers.
don't know the exact term. Then the full grain goat leather,
Okay.
the sliders.
And the touch resistant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the gloves are touch
And a
friendly.
helmet wiper. As
Both the fingers have.
Cool.
Normally we can see only one
finger
glove
is having the
has
helmet wiper,
helmet,
but yeah.
but this one, both of them have that.
Cool.
Yeah.
So how much do each pair of gloves cost?
The basic one costs around 1299.
Okay.
This is 1749, and this one is 3499,
Cool.
and it is worth.
Worth. But yeah, for summers I do need a pair of short gloves.
Huh.
So yeah,
Yes.
works like a charm.
Exactly.
And I'll show you in detail after I visit home. I'll show you all the features. So don't worry about that. We'll do that shortly.
Yes, also, and please do a review video for this.
Definitely.
Because
That's
people
on the
should
card.
know the review of this thing.
Of course. Well, you did see how all of your riding needs are ready to be catered to at Moto Monastery. So what are you guys waiting for? Come down to Moto Monastery and check out the gears first, even if you don't want to buy. And I'm sure you will have a lot of knowledge about riding gears at the end of the day. I've left a link to this place at the description box below, so you guys can come here without any hassle and do check out what's on store. That's about it. I hope you liked the video, and if you like what I'm doing, then do not leave this video without subscribing to my channel, and also click on the bell icon to stay updated about my latest videos. If you want to reach out to me for any queries or for any promotions, then do write to me at the email ID written below, or simply hit me up on Instagram. That's it. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.